In practice 3, we are going to find the value of a number when it is increased or decreased by a certain percentage. Now, let's take a look at A. First, it says increase 28 by 125.7%. Now, do take note that 28 originally it is already 100%. So, to increase it by 125.7%, one of the method is we find out 125.7% of 28. And from here, we know that we can write in this manner. And the value is 35.196. Now, bear in mind that this is the increased amount. And so, the new value is actually this and this. And what we're going to do is, we're going to add the original 100%, which is 28, to the increased amount. And therefore, answer is 63.196. Alternatively, we can also combine the steps. In other words, we know that the new number, the new value, is actually the sum of the original and the increased amount. Therefore, we can actually add this, and this will be the new percentage that we have. Alright, since we are finding the increase, so the denominator would be the percentage of the original number, which turns out to be 100%, and times 28. And with this, we get 225.7% over 100% times 28, and therefore 63.196 is the new value, which is the same as what we found earlier. Now, in the next question, it is the reverse. It says, find the value of each of the following. Now, the result of a number x when increased by 15% is 161. So, when it is increased by 15% is 161, it means that this number 161 is actually the 100%, the original, plus the 15%. And as a result, this is actually 115% of the original number. So, when increased by 15%, it is actually 115% of x is equal to 161. And here we get this. Therefore, x is 140. Alternatively, some of you would prefer to use something that you are familiar with once you get this. So you know that 115% of the number is equivalent to 161. So you may find 1% of the number, which actually will be x, which will be 161 divided by 115%. And from here, we carry on 100% of x, which is what you need to find out. And now you get 140. So note that 100% is same as 1. Therefore, we can say x is equal to 140, which is the same answer as what you obtained earlier.